Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change the background in Google Meet. So, the first thing that you will have to do is join a meeting if you haven't done so. So, either click start an instant email or create a meeting for later or whatever you want. So, just wait for it to load and once you're inside the meeting, what you will have to do is click more options button right here, and you will just have to click backgrounds and effects and wait for it to load as well. And now you can just choose from this pre-made background, or you can just click add, which should be right here somewhere. So if you see that option, okay, so you could also add your own personal background. So it's really up to you. But there are a lot of options here that you could actually choose from. So you could actually choose from professional section, cozy home, nature, and fantasy, and all that stuffs. And yeah, once you're done, uh you will just have to click apply, or you will just have to click close, and then if you open your camera, it should show up. And yeah, you also have to ensure you have good lighting and a clear camera view for the best virtual background effect. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.